So to make this glitch happen, you need to spawn a vehicle inside Burger Shot. I found the best vehicles to spawn in Burger Shot are the motorcycles, because if you spawn cars or anything else, they're quite difficult to get into when you're inside Burger Shot, and it's difficult to kind of drive them around inside Burger Shot as well. So you can see I've now spawned a bike inside Burger Shot, and you just walk in, and if you get on the bike, well, before you even get on the bike, when you're changing the camera angle, it sometimes disappears. Then when you get on the bike, a few different things can happen. What's happening now is that the textures are very low inside Burger Shot, and you've got like these really bright glowing lights inside there. And then sometimes when you get onto a bike inside Burger Shot, all of the walls and the ceiling and the floor, they'll just disappear. So you can see all the buildings in the city outside of Burger Shot. Another interesting thing about this glitch is that when you get on the bike, not only do you disappear, but most of the people inside Burger Shot disappear as well. But sometimes, like what you're seeing now, is a new person will appear when you're on the bike, but when you get off the bike, that person will disappear. So it's quite strange, really. So as you can see, this is what I was talking about before, how like all the walls and the floor and the ceiling become see-through. And you can see two Burger Shot employees there, and when I get off the bike they'll just disappear. It's quite strange. See, now you can see they've disappeared, but that black guy, he's appeared now. When I'm on the bike, the black guy disappears. It's yeah, really weird glitch. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'll leave you with the gameplay footage. Thanks for watching.
It's your choice. Live or die. Read.
Dispatch a unit from Westminster.
Okay then.
I need cover. Cover me!
Screw you.